Today we're going to be taking a look at an awesome microphone stand that goes for $100. This is the Compass Boom Arm by Blue, which might be a pretty familiar brand name for a lot of you since their microphones tend to be pretty popular among people on YouTube. So one of the big selling points for this thing is the fact that after it's clamped onto something, it can freely rotate in 360 degrees, whereas with lots of other microphone stands you can only go up, down, and then forward and back. The way this arm is able to spin around is by having itself separated into two pieces. The bottom piece is a metal slot in which the top metal piece just comfortably fits into it. So yeah, it's basically just metal spinning around inside some other metal, which works well. This could be useful due to the fact that you can mount this onto the edge of your desk and be able to only have it sitting in front of you when you need it. When you're done recording audio or whatever, you can just rotate it away from you so it's 100% out of the way, and then just swing it back over whenever you need it again. Something that is also different about this microphone stand compared to lots of others is how you adjust it. With other stands, you might just move them around freely, and the arm will just then adjust to that position and hold it. But with this thing, you adjust it by loosening the knobs, and then you can freely set the arm into position and then twist it again the other way to tighten it back up. While this will definitely take longer to set up and just get into the right position, it ensures that even when you bump or move the stand around, it'll always be in that same exact perfect position. There are a total of 3 of these adjustment knobs, and they all work in the same exact way but control different parts of the arm. So as you're loosening either of the bottom 2 knobs, or whatever you want to call these things, the section you're loosening will kind of flip back. At all the way loose, both sections will just go as far back as they possibly can. Now this can be a little bit of a problem when you want to have the arm bent really forward, because I guess the knob just isn't strong enough to withstand the pressure of the arm. So if you do want to bend the arm past a certain point, it'll kind of just adjust itself back into that maximum position which it allows itself to be in. As well, the bottom is a lot stronger, so you're less likely to have that problem with that. But honestly, the arm does allow you to bend it a pretty reasonable amount, and most people probably won't even have a problem with this. I just thought it was something worth knowing. Once this arm is mounted onto something via its C-clamp, it's not going anywhere. It's made of both plastic and metal and is super stable. It doesn't shake around, and putting it on and off is really easy too. Just spin the little handle at the very bottom until it's tight or loose enough, and then you can slide the rest of the whole arm on or off. Also, something you might not notice right off the bat, but I really like, is the fact that this stand has a good sized indent which spans all the way from the top to the bottom and has a bunch of little strap things that you can open and close. This is for the wires which go from your microphone to your computer, so you can tuck them neatly into there and just strap them in, which is going to make your setup look a lot cleaner. No one wants to see those ugly wires hanging around. As for putting your shock mount and whatnot on the boom arm, this thing has a standard 3/8 threading and also comes with a 5/8 adapter, so you shouldn't have any problems with stuff not fitting together. Also, this thing can hold up to 2.4 pounds and extended all the way out. The arm is 32 inches long. Overall, this boom arm looks nice, has a quality construction, comes from a known brand, and has some extra features which could definitely come in handy. I think this is great for anyone who's trying to do streaming, all the way to someone who just needs it every once in a while to record audio for a YouTube video. So, is it worth that $100 price tag? I'd say yeah, it'll work really well for just anyone looking for a solid boom arm. Thanks for watching, the link is in the description below. As well, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.